How to create transitions between clips in Reelshot. Want smooth transitions between your clips? Here's how to create transitions in Reelshot. First, open your project and tap the timeline at the bottom to see your clips. Tap the small white square between two clips to open the transitions menu. Browse the transition effects like fade, slide, or zoom, then tap to preview. Choose the one you like and tap apply to add it between your clips. You can adjust the transition duration by dragging the slider. Which transition effect is your favorite? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can create transitions between clips in Reelshot. Use subtle transitions for a professional look and avoid overdoing it. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.